Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Philips StyleCare Advanced Heated Straightening Brush. This is a hair straightener slash brush primarily aimed at women but can also be used by men. Naturally straight hair in 5 minutes with Keratin protection. There's some more information here. It comes with silk ProCare, keratin infused ceramic coating, 2 temperature settings, triple bristle design, large paddle shaped brush. As you can see, this is what the brush is supposed to look like, the straightening brush. They're more or less the same information on this side as well. There's some added information here. I'll just read out. The silk ProCare to minimize heat damage on hair. Temperature of the bristles stay at an optimized level to minimize heat damage, while reducing friction, leaving hair naturally straight with a silky smooth look. Keratin infused ceramic coating glides smoothly through naturally straight hair and shiny hair. There's a sticker that's covering a lot of this information, but the thing is, this is more or less what you get inside the box. So I'm going to open it and take a quick look inside. Anything else? No, that's it. This is what you find inside the box. I will show you each of these components. Okay, this is a international warranty for this particular straightening brush. There you can see international warranty. I'll leave this one over here. Next up, we have the user manual for the Philips StyleCare Advanced. There you can see. You should read it at least once before you start using it. Now let's take a look at the straightening brush itself. Okay, this is what it looks like. This is the paddle shaped head as mentioned earlier, and there's also a ceramic coating. I don't know if you can see this. This is ceramic coated straightening brush, and yep, this is the on-off button, and also has 2 temperature settings right over here, 1 and 2. Basically, this is 1. And this is 2. That's about it. There's a Philips logo over here and a glossy finish handle right over here. What else is there? Okay, this is the cable. It's a pretty long cable, actually almost 2 meters long. Let me just take a quick look. Yeah, this is it. Almost 2 meter long cable, 2-pin cable, which is two pin, but a 250 volt cable nonetheless. It's a fat cable as well. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Philips StyleCare Advanced Heated Straightening Brush. Thank you for watching.